Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pearl. I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala. So if you're new here, you're so welcome. And if it's not your first time, welcome back girl, welcome back guy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do my simple pasta. It's a very quick recipe and I hope you guys, when you're tired, you're coming back from work, you can just mix it up and then eat. So I hope you see the recipe. I hope you learn. I hope you enjoy with me. All right.
So we have our boiled chicken, tomato paste, just a bit, chopped carrots, some onions and some sausage, some onga. You have your onga, your cubes, and some other tomato spices. You have two fresh tomatoes and two peppers. And of course, your yellow label pasta. This is my best type of pasta, guys. So if we put the chicken on the oil when it's hot, fry it just a little for a little while until it's a bit brown.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Which I just rinse it all out with water and add to the sauce. And now I'm going to leave it to simmer. Simmer for some time. I add more water and then I put in my chicken. and then I put in my chopped carrots, and that's everything into the sauce, guys. And after this I just cover it for some time for it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I put the rest of my cubes, and that's it. Water when it's getting a bit dry for it to get ready properly. After this, I now put my pasta in boiling water and I leave it to boil for about 8